Hey guys, so I'm gonna organize my fidgets, but I have this black light and this string here, so I'm gonna okay, so right now I just have out like the stress ball. Okay, and then I have this put. I just have that. Everything in these. So I have a mini snake in here. I have this giant like dog ball. I have this mini blue stress ball. This puppet. It's a bunny. If you can see. And then I have a sticky blue alligator. It's not really sticky anymore because yeah. Mini fidget spinner. A Wonder Woman mini puppet. How many stressful are these? Heart puppet. I have a lot of heart puppets. Well, three. This slime. This slime. This slime. Random red ball. Random ball. A little squinky. Well, I guess it's like a emoji. So I'll keep it. Yellow putty. I have this fidget spinner. I have this fidget spinner. I have some because they're really popular. And this fidget spinner. This fidget spinner. And then this fidget spinner. I have this slime. I have like a squishy spiky ball. I have a couple of those. Pink slime. I have erasers. I have this like snake thingy. I use it as like a soft texture looking. So, and I have this Play-Doh crackle slime, this double slime, this thinking putty. I have this slime. I have this putty. This putty. This. And I have an evil west one here or something. And then this drawer has a mess because it holds all my slimes and stuff. I have this connects. And I have like so much random, like all that gunk in there, so I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should just keep it in there or I should clean it. I should probably borrow a trash can. Let's go. I just tried to open it and go before I started the video. Like, I don't know how to clean this. Girl up. I should probably rub baby wipes. Oh, this slime. I feel so good. This is probably as good as I'm gonna get. Who wants extremely clean drawers? I have blue ball. Yes, I must blue. This drawer is blue. So we're gonna put that back, and then we're probably gonna organize like stress ball slime. So we can go ahead and get puppets are just gonna go here. Slimes are going here. I have a lot of stuff. I'm still doing slimes. Like, and putties. They're gonna go in the same thing because, like, I count them as the same. And they're both sort of stretchy, so. See, like, what do you mean? I have a ton of these. Look at the big wings. I should probably put these to the side. Okay, so all of these stuff over here. And there's stuff up above my container. That's just because there's no room. All my puppets, fidget spinners, I don't really use them, but oh well. And I have a ton of puppets. Stress balls. I'm gonna catch stress balls in like sticky stuff. Like this I'm counting. And these. My snake, fidget spinner, and monkey noodles are just gonna go there. Let's do my other drawer. I have this gigantic. There's no room. I just put it back in here. But I have this side. I told you. I have this squishy things. I have this yellow monkey noodle. I have this paw mochi. I have this. And I have this stress ball. And then I swear this is about to pop. Like, it's like too much to pop in myself. So I'm just gonna let it pop on its own. So I'm gonna let that go to the side. I have this one. I have this slushy. They give me claw, but I love my claw balls, but they're not sticky. I have this one. I have my dogs. Yeah. Let me just put that in my box. And I have this putty. This is our turn. I have this like dimple things. I'm gonna put dimples and pop together. And then I have all this just like random stuff in here. I just throw random stuff in there. But yeah, that's my drawer. Some have a lot of stuff and some have like no stuff. I have this heart puppet. I have like 3 heart puppets. I have this dimple person. I have this dimple digits. I have this Among Us puppet. I have this dog puppet. I have this puppet. Sorry about that. I have this one. They're the connectables. And then this connectable one. I think that's all the puppets in here. I'm trying to clear up all the puppets if you can't tell. Like, I'm digging for puppets. Okay, I have this monkey noodle. I have this one. I have these that are braided. I have these 2 orange monkey noodles. I have this mini orange monkey noodle. Set up for the monkey noodles. Okay. No, my baby's in here. No. No. I have to go out. There's too much stuff. Okay. We're back. So let's do stress balls. We have this smiley face one. This heart squishy. This skull. Oh, my skull squishy. My llama squishy. My splat ball. All my splat balls popped. All my pig ones. And then this DIY stress ball. It feels so good. And then I have this squishy. I have this one. Oh, it smells so good. And then I have this one. I don't know why I was about to smell that. That's disgusting. I have this one. So good. I have this banana. I have this thing. I'm gonna count those monkey noodle because it's stretchy. And then this squishy. This squishy. You usually see my pile of poppets and squishies inside. Like, it's ridiculous. Why is there a little bloody stuff? Where's that? And then I have this squishy. It's a donut that I wanted on arcade. A tiny bit of a wacky track. I'm gonna put that with my snake. I have this putty. This putty. I have a magnetic pacifier in here. I have this page. I have this. It's like slime. It's hard, so I'm gonna throw it that way. And I have this Jacob's ladder thing, so I'm gonna fold it. It does not take me super long. It's been 10 minutes. I've only done 3 drawers. So this is probably gonna go with my snakes and that. This squishy because I forgot about it. These 2. This putty. I'm showing you the stuff. So this is my putties. This is my stress balls. This is my monkey noodles. This is my fidget spinners. These are my dimples and poppets. That's my water snake. And then that's... I only have 3 things for that thing. So blue drawer is done. 3 drawers done. A lot more to go. Okay. We have this frog poppet. This heart poppet. This Baby Yoda one. This pineapple. This robot. And this one. This is like one of my first mini poppets. I have a mini poppet. So I traded my friend for it. So. Yes?
Hey, in a little bit, you can definitely come out and give your dog a bath in a little bit. Not now, in a little bit, you're fine.
Okay, can it be like an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. When will electricity turn back on?
You don't have it in here either? He's running wire.
Because all I have is this much.
Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit.
Will you can turn it on when it's on?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Sorry, that was my distracting me from my work. That's all the poppets. Not all of it. And then I have this Nickelodeon one. I'm not even. No, I'm not. This watermelon putty. I mean slime. This slime. This Nickelodeon slime. This foam. Which I'm going to put in slime because I don't have much of it. This slime. I think that's all the slime. Oh, I forgot about this puppet. Yeah. I have this. And I have this. That's all my slime. I have this squishy. Wait, no, that's not all my slimes. I lied. This one. I have this squishy. It smells weird. I have this one. This one. This Orbeez Paw Patrol one. I just wanted a Orbeez stress ball. And I got it at Walmart. It's like so big. I thought it would be too small. This squishy. This squishy. These 2. I have this one. It was a donut, but it's peeling. But like, see, it's peeling. Whenever I squish it, it peels. So I'm just gonna peel it now. I didn't want to peel it yesterday, but I kind of want to peel it now. Oh no, skin fell off. Oh no, our skin, it's broken. There's still some on it, but. Okay, I have this squishy. And this donut. And then I have this mochi. Okay, that's all the mochi. I have this monkey noodle. I have these 2, which will go with like the wacky tracks and snakes and stuff. It's just random. And then, oh, that was the donut. That's all for blue. 4 done. 8 to go. I don't know why I'm not excited about it. Okay. We have this poppet. We have 2 connectables. We have this carrot poppet. That's all my poppets in here. We have this clear Orbeez stress ball. This, I'm throwing that away. I have this one. I have these monkey noodle. I have this snapper. So that's just gonna go in randoms because I don't have a lot of it. This is so random. I'm keeping the people out of it. And then I have like these. I have a lot of them. So I have this thing of magnetic stuff. So like, that's not magnetic, but like it sticks. I have this monkey noodle. I have like this. I don't know where it's gonna go, but I have these. And then I have this mini Rubik's Cube. I have these giant stress ball. This has been 60 minutes. These bad boys. This wacky track. This keypad. It's not that good, but I put it in random.